Hi, architecture aspirants writing NATA on April 2020. We all know NATA 2020 exam pattern has been released by Council of Architects in official brochure. So here we introduce model paper prepared by SPA CEPT and IIT alumni. We also discuss how to prepare each session. Attending these model tests help us to understand details about the type of questions, weightage, subject, etc. So here we are starting our exam. These all are the instructions for NAT exam. We all know it consists of two parts, part A and part B. Part B is basically drawing session, having a three questions that we discussed in the last part of this presentation, and we also have 50 objective type questions, of which 15 from physics, chemistry and maths. So NATA introducing physics and chemistry, so we can expect some simple questions that can be solved within 1 minute in these sessions. And while going to aptitude sessions, we need some time to do numerical aptitude, but in the case of some direct questions like questions asked from history of architecture, civilizations, like that, we can do within seconds. So we have to manage time properly for getting good score. So here first five questions we are taken from physics, especially the topic mentioned in the syllabus, and you can pause and solve all these questions, and finally you can check your mark by checking the key. If you have any issue in it, just WhatsApp to the number so that we can provide the PDF of this question paper to you. So feel free to contact us in any time for getting the PDF. So here comes the chemistry, five questions. Few questions take some time, but the other questions can be answered in split seconds. And this is the max part. People's um, taking max as tough, need some time to solve this kind of problems, but anyhow you have to solve it for getting some good marks. And here we starting the aptitude session. So we have to plan time for each questions. Um, then only we can complete all the 50 questions, else the time will get lost for solving some questions. So I am hurrying. You can pause and see all these questions, and all those who need PDF can just WhatsApp and get the PDF for free. We can expect questions from material study, then horizons, and color theory in this session. And identify the building is a typical kind of question asking every year. Identify architect also is a typical questions asking every year. So you have to know all these things before going to write NAT exam. So here we are going to drawing session. In drawing section we are expecting three questions, of which one is surely a perspective question, and the second one we are expecting a 2D composition that you have to color. um, 2D composition question may be designing a logo also. You have to expect a 2D composition question anyhow. And the third question we are expecting a 3D composition with effect of light and shadow. You have to do it in an interesting way. Like this, we are expecting three questions. Anyhow, you can go to solution So here is the solution. You can check um, with this answer.